what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a fun little vlog. I don't know what it is lately, you guys, but I've been so motivated to vlog. I think it's just now that I have more time on my hands, now that my full-time job is about to be done, like I'm just so fired up to vlog. Sephora package coming. I got some new Ordinary products because I ran out of a bunch of stuff that I haven't bothered to repurchase, and I want to do like a little Q&A to start this off because you guys asked me a ton of moving questions. So I was like, hey, let's do like a little moving updates, moving Q&A. And then I guess maybe we'll just like see where the day takes us. But oh wow, you kind of rock that.
I'm ready for my running.
What are you? Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice run.
Come.
So, I feel like I haven't really, I guess I answered some questions when we announced that we bought the house, but I feel like I haven't really chatted with you guys. So if you guys are new here, our closing date is April 30th, which is a Friday. So we get the keys Friday night and then we're moving Saturday. We're not painting or anything right away. We don't really need to. And yeah, so that's kind of like the big plan. But I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me any questions you had about moving, so I figured we could sit and chat. So the first one is things you plan to buy and things you will keep from your current home. We're gonna keep everything. I don't know, we're just people who like use it until it falls apart. So we're keeping everything. The only thing is we do have a finished basement, and so we'll be getting another couch and TV so Matt can have a game room. But obviously we'll need to get like a guest bed down the line. Packing tips. I feel like I don't have any yet because I've never had to like really pack. I mean, like I packed up my room at my parents' house and moved in with Matt, but that was it. We are using Frogbox. They offer to send us some packing boxes and stuff. They're basically like a reusable packing company, so you don't have to use cardboard boxes. They send you like a bunch of reusable boxes. They drop them off at the place you're moving at, and then they pick them up a week later from the place you moved into, which is super convenient. So that's what we're doing. But once we start packing and doing the packing vlogs, then I'll definitely share more packing tips as I get them. What are you most excited about? I'm excited to have more space. I'm excited to have a backyard. I'm excited to have a driveway. The thing I'm most excited about is to have my own office. Now you guys are probably like, Carter, you have an office, but I don't really. We have a 2-bedroom condo, and so the spare bedroom, while it is my office, it also still has crate. It also has extra furniture. It's kind of just like a storage area, so I feel like I only have like a corner of the room. So I'm excited to have like a whole room as my office and decorate it. I'm gonna get a couch for it and stuff, and I really can't wait for that. So that's probably what I'm most excited about. Filming. I'm filming. Mama's filming. Can you guys look at this dog? Hi. Hi, Stella. And as you're gonna do, my sister-in-law and myself, so Matt's brother's wife, we're gonna tackle the kitchen together. We really want to like DIY stuff in the house. I don't know why we're suddenly passionate about it. So our first project that we're gonna do is paint the kitchen cabinets. So they're wood right now, and I don't like wood kitchens personally. So we're gonna paint those white with like black handles, and we're gonna try and do it all ourselves. So that's the first renovation I think we're gonna do. Is there a space you want your coffee nook in the new house? Yes. Okay, you guys will see it when we move in, but there's like a little nook in the corner where the lady had like a little dining room table in the kitchen, and that's just gonna be our coffee nook. For moving to Stella, make sure she adjusts. I'm a little anxious about that only because she doesn't like being taken out of her environment. She's a very routine dog. Like when we go over to a friend's house, she just like paces a lot. So I definitely think it'll take her a few days to adjust, and I'm kind of prepared for that. But we're gonna, I think, take her when we go get the keys and like let her sniff around and explore. And then I don't really know whose house she's gonna stay at while we move, but she's obviously not coming with us while we move. It's just gonna be too hectic. She'll probably stay at like Matt's parents or something. But I'll keep you guys updated on how she adjusts and stuff. But I am a little nervous just because she's a very routine dog. How many square feet is your new house? Okay, this is so random, but we can't find it anywhere. It's not on any of our papers or anything. Our condos are around 1,300 square feet. So I'd say it's probably around 1,600, which I feel like is common for a townhouse, but I'd say around 1,600, 1,700. How do closing costs work? So basically, when you buy a house and your offer gets accepted, you have to pay the deposit that you said you'd pay. It's usually between $5,000 and $10,000. We had a higher deposit because that's what made us win the house, but that comes off of your down payment or your mortgage. So you pay that within 24 hours. So we wrote a check, dropped it off to the selling realtor, and then I'm not sure when exactly closing costs happen. We have a meeting with our lawyer the day before we close, and I think that's when they're gonna do everything. But you pay land transfer tax lawyer fees, and then obviously the rest of your down payment. Do you ever feel anxious about making such a big financial commitment? Oh, of course. I think it took a while for it to hit Matt and I, but it did, and I've cried a few times, not because I'm scared or unhappy. It's just, it is a big financial commitment. But overall, we're really excited, and it was just hard for me because I just got out of my student loan debt and I'm still paying off my car, but everyone and their mom has a mortgage. Like, it's very common. It is the next step financially for us and in our relationship. So definitely stressed. We've definitely cried about it, but I'm really excited. Did you hire movers? No, we didn't. We have the family helping. I think my family will help too, but Matt's parents will help, his two brothers, his cousin. We have a good crew. I rented the biggest U-Haul I could find. We really don't have a lot of stuff, honestly, in terms of furniture, so I don't think it'll be too bad, and I just didn't want to hire movers, but I did buy a U-Haul. Yeah, those were all like the little updates I got. I just wanted to like start the video off with that in case you're interested. And yeah, those are like the updates. I feel like those are the most frequently asked questions I get, which is like, what are you bringing with you guys? When do you close? And all that stuff. And then yeah, we're gonna start packing the week before, but I just finished filming my spring morning routine. Like I said, I'm so fired up to film lately. And so I'm gonna edit that. And then Matt just went for a run. When he gets back, we'll probably go for a walk later on. I have an interview today, which is exciting. And it's for a completely different job field. It's something I've been considering a lot as of lately, pretty much since we bought the house. And I don't know if any of you guys will guess it, but it has nothing to do with healthcare. I was posting yesterday for a company in Ottawa who was hiring them without the training and that they would train. So I applied and they asked if I could interview today or just like chat with them. So I'm really excited about that. I don't know if you guys can get you guys hints. So the first is that I wanted to do it ever since we bought the house. And the second is that it has nothing to do with healthcare. 3 has flexible hours. And yeah, I'm gonna see if you guys can guess it, but I'll let you guys know how that goes or what it is. I think it's just, I don't know, it seemed pretty informal. The girl, I don't even know she's a manager. She just texted me, was like, hey, are you free tomorrow? And I was like, sure. But then there's also other people in the email, so I don't know if it's like a little group hangout. Like, I have no idea. So that's at 12. It's 10:45. And yeah, like I said, I have a Sephora haul coming today. And that's that. So I'm gonna go work for a little bit and I'll catch up with you guys after. But I'm really excited to say that today's video is actually sponsored by Elix Healing. I'm so excited to be working with them, you guys. I've been using their product for about a month now, and my last period was like a whole new world. So you guys know I do struggle with hormonal acne and just really heavy periods. I talked about that was the reason why I got an IUD. I have PCOS. And right now I just kind of want to try and like target my hormonal issues naturally. Like I said, I've just been on medications for a long time. They obviously aren't doing much. And so I wanted to kind of cut back on those and try it more naturally. So this is the Elix Cycle Balance. It's an herbal and nutritional supplement. And the coolest thing about Elix is that you take a personalized quiz, you fill in all your hormonal issues and struggles, and then they make a blend that is suited for you, which I love. It's completely tailored to you. And like the packaging is just so beautiful, you guys. When you take it out, it looks like this, and it is just so pretty. So it's a dropper bottle, my name on it, and it's just completely tailored to you. Anyways, Elix is the first clinically backed herbal supplement for hormonal issue companies that really empower women and have a mission good for the world. And as someone with like a health science background, I really appreciate that Elix's mission is for women to advocate for themselves and bring awareness towards more natural solutions when it comes to hormonal issues. Anyways, the great thing about this is like with any kind of dropper herbal medication is you can take it on its own, or you can mix it up with something if you like necessarily don't like to just take it on its own. You can dilute it with water. I've put it in Greek yogurt before. I put it in my smoothies all the time. I find that the easiest way, and also just in like my kombuchas and stuff. So I have an irregular cycle. So what I do is I take 3 full droppers every single day. But if you have a regular cycle, then you can take it for the 5 to 7 days leading up to your cycle, 6 to 7 droppers daily. Like I said, completely tailored to you and custom to you. And this was a pretty good period for me this month. Even though I do have an IUD, my periods are so bad that with my IUD, I still get really bad cramping and like my hormonal acne is out of whack. And this was the first time that I think I only had 1 active acne. I think I only had 1 active breakout instead of having, I usually have like 4 or 5. So it was a really big month. I had no cramping. It was so great. So highly recommend trying them out. They were super kind and also gave me a discount code, which I will leave down below for you guys to check out. Thank you so much, Elix, for sponsoring today's video. And let's jump into it. Okay guys, I just got back from a walk. I'm wearing some Vitae leggings. They're pink and springy. But yesterday at the grocery store, well, we got a lot of goods at the grocery store. I forgot to do a grocery haul though. This can be just like a little chatty vlog. What are these called? Baies dorées. That means they're called golden berries. Is doré mean golden? But in English, they're called Inca berries. I don't know. They were like $1.99 and I was like, these would be fun to try. And Matt said he would try one with me. Everyone says their favorite vlogs are the ones where we're just sitting in the kitchen chatting. Oh, this is interesting. It kind of looks like a cherry tomato. Oh. I'm scared. It's like a little cherry tomato. It's like, they're kind of good. It has like the consistency of a tomato, so you might not like it.
Oh, fuck no.
But it's like, it tastes like a tropical fruit. Like if a mango and its baby tomato had a baby. That's what it tastes like. But I got a peach bubbly. I love bubbly. I feel like my biggest thing is I always need to be sipping on something. And like I drink a lot of water. I drink like 100 ounces of water a day. But even if I'm not drinking water, I need to be drinking something. So we got a lot of goodies. First thing, I had enough points, so I picked up another Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. You guys know how much I love this. I use it every day. And the small ones are just nice for like traveling and stuff. And then my products. So I got the Alpha Arbutin 2% with hyaluronic acid. I also just got another plant-derived squalene, I never know how to say it. And then this is a big boy. I guess I ordered the big one of the niacinamide and zinc. So like I said, I'm starting a new skincare routine, so I'll take you guys through that when I kind of get it under, you know, perfection. But those are the 3 new products that I got. Not a huge haul, but I didn't really need to spend much money. So yeah, that's my little Sephora haul. Guys, happy Wednesday. I'm out of breath because I just climbed the stairs, but happy Wednesday, you guys. I'm like all dressed. I'm out of the house. Who is she? It is currently 11:45 and I just had my last day of work. I came in today. My manager had emailed us yesterday asking if we could come into the hospital tomorrow and have like a little socially distanced lunch, which was so nice of them. They brought like scones and treats and stuff. It was really sweet because we want to go out to a patio, but it's raining, and also you can't go to a patio in Ottawa right now unless you are in the same household. So I did that, and I had to come and bring my laptop anyway, so it kind of all worked out. So I just dropped my laptop off and I picked up my Christmas present, which is this really nice sweater, and it says like Ottawa Hospital, and then it says my team name, and it has my name on it, which is so sweet. So I'm done the job, but I was like, I feel like I shouldn't take this. And they were like, no, you deserve it. Take it and wear it like proudly. Like, just, you know, it's really nice. So I have a nice little sweater to wear on like cold days in the hospital. And yeah, I kind of don't really feel anything. I'm not really sad. I mean, I was sad, but I think I'm just over that phase, because as much as I love the team and I got to know them, working from home is like just a totally different atmosphere, and I feel like I just didn't really connect with anyone like a deep level, you know what I mean? Whereas leaving my job for 3 years was so sad for me, but I get to go back to it. So that's that. So my manager was super nice and was like, just drop off your laptop and take the rest of the day off, like a paid afternoon off. So that's what we're doing. And I was hoping to get Starbucks before I left, but I was running late because I was dealing with some work stuff this morning. So it's 11:45. I'm gonna go and stop and get some Starbucks really quick to take home, and then Stella and I are just gonna have like a nice relaxing afternoon, I guess. I'll show you guys my outfit when I get home, but that's that. I don't really feel anything. I feel like I should feel something, but I just kind of, I don't know. I don't feel anything. So that's that. And we're starting it off with a bang tomorrow, and I'm working a double. I'm working 6 to 12 and 3 to 8, but that's that. So I want to hop on and say hi. Oh my god, you guys, I tried the niacinamide last night and the alpha arbutin. My skin already looks so much better over one night. It's crazy, but I'll give you guys an update like 1 month. I took like a before picture of my acne scarring, and then I'll do it in a month. Maybe I'll film a video on it, but so far so good. I feel like I already saw results, which is crazy, but it's a really rainy, gloomy day here. Yeah, let's do it. I feel like this is not a great angle, but it's fine. I'm in the car and I'm at a light. I just stopped on my way home to pick up some wine because I didn't have any. You know, it's Wine Wednesday. And then I also, because I was beside Whole Foods, I just stopped to pick up a coffee from the Whole Foods coffee place, which is Allegro. So I picked that up. I got it black because they didn't have any dairy-free milk. So I'll just put some creamer in it when I get home. And then I'll show you guys the wine I got when we get home because it's Wine Wednesday. And yeah, so I'm heading home now. It's so nice. I have like a little PTO afternoon, which is paid time off, so I'm really thriving. I have to finish a video and send it off for approval, this video, and then I also have to finish filming my Amazon essentials. So I'm gonna head home now and chat with you guys, and we'll do a wine haul. It's so dark and gloomy here today. I like want to curl up on the couch. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But out for the day, this is like one of my all-time favorite outfit combos. Do you guys like ever have like, this is my go-to combo to impress? So this is just a Shein, it's supposed to be a jacket, but TBH, it's like literally a piece of fabric. Like it's more of like a cardigan, but I love it. And I'm wearing my black little ribbed Dynamite tank and then some Old Navy pixie pants. And then I just had on some matching flats to this jacket. So that's like my little outfit. I love it so much. But I'm gonna show you guys the wine that we got, and then I'll probably end the vlog off just because I want to relax. I feel like the universe is telling me to just like rest and recharge before going back to work tomorrow. So I'm gonna take the afternoon, just snuggle with Stella on the couch because it's really gloomy here. It's gonna rain. Let's see if oh yeah, she's gonna rain. Look at the sky. So I think we're just gonna chill. Okay guys, it's got my wine here and my coffee and my donut, but it's 1 o'clock now. So like I said, I think I'm gonna end the vlog off after this just because I really want to relax. It's like super gloomy. Stella and I are gonna snuggle on the couch, probably watch some Superstore, do a little wine haul, and then I have to go to the dentist at 4:30, but it's fine. But anyways, let's do a little wine haul. I always like to try a different one from a different country every time, and then I try and always support local. So I got this Argentina wine. It's called the Real Argentina Argento Selecciono. So like, I don't know, pretty cool. We buy cheap wine here, so all this wine is under $15 at the LCBO. This one is so fun. Like, look at this. This is the G Marquis Redline 2019 Pinot Grigio from Niagara. Really excited about this one. It's just so pretty. Like, look at that. Look at the branding on that. It's just so beautiful. So I got that one. And then I love Lola wine, but I've never tried their Pinot Grigio. I've always tried like their rosé and their other ones. So Lola is like one of my favorite. They have the prettiest packaging. So beautiful. And yeah, this one is a Pinot Grigio with hints of lemon and green apple. So I thought that would be fun to try. So I just love their packaging so much. Oh my goodness. So that is that one. So I only got 3 bottles, but that's that. Also, the vegan maple donut from Whole Foods slaps every time. That's what's going on here. Good last day. I just want to like document it more or less. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're not already. I'll chat with you guys next time, which will be tomorrow because I'm going back to work. And I've just, guys, I'm telling you, I've just been in such a vlogging mood lately. I'm literally forcing myself to not vlog this afternoon so I can just rest. So that's what's going on. Cheers. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys next time.